All right, so what we got in this video here, we're going to show you the timeline actions with using AWeber. You have subscriber move list and delete list. The previous video to this, you can find the link probably in the description below, shows you how to integrate AWeber with AEvent and setting up the on registration add tag, selecting a list and adding a tag to it. So this one here, we just want to touch base on a couple other actions that you can perform with AWeber and AEvent. So what we can do is go before. We'll just do relative time. Just for the purpose of this, this is the same thing. So you can set the times up wherever you want to set them up. It's the same process on what you want to do on setting up the actions. So this one here, we'll just have 5 minutes beforehand. We want all the registrants to, if you want to trigger an email or so, you have to move it to another list or so in AWeber. So you can add another tag if you wanted to, or move it to a whole other list. However you want to do that, this is how you would do it. You move list, and then select the list you want to move to. And then you have the choice to either keep it on the current list, like the one that we set up in that previous video, or delete it from that list, and then they'll just stay on this particular list here. And then you can create. And there you go. Now, if you wanted to do something after the event, and we want to create something after, let's do 90 minutes after, and you want to just talk to the attendees. You would select the attendees here, and then select which option you want to go. You want to add the tag, and then you can do attendee as the tag. So you know where in the flow that they were, like that there. And then we can do after, 2 hours, let's say. And then the other option was delete the subscriber completely. So anyone that still has the registrants as their audience, as their tag through your journey, they'll be removed. So if you wanted to do all non-attendees, so everyone that is marked as non-attendee per that event, they'll just be deleted off, and you won't have those on your list. So that's really, in the nutshell, what you can do with AWeber and the integration with AWeber and AEvent. It's once you have it all set up, it'll just trigger off what it needs to trigger off in AWeber for you. So, like I said in the other videos, you can get support here. You can get to the help with the question mark, and you can just type into here, check out what our knowledge base already has. If you're not finding it there, you can send here and send a message right here, and you'll be able to get a reply. Under 10 minutes, it's relatively quick. It's more so, I want to argue, like under 5 minutes. Even quicker at times too. We have a really good support team. So that is how you get a hold of us. Any questions at all, let us know, please. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe so you know when other videos and tutorials come out on how to rock it on AEvent. We'll talk to you later.